This is my 2013 CBR1000RR Repsol 5-blade. I've actually put on a different body kit from the original and made a few cosmetic modifications to the bike. So let's have a look. As you can see, I've actually put a carbon fibre swing arm cover and replaced the kick plate with carbon fibre as well. On the back, I've replaced the standard tail section with a tail tidy from R&G. Again, carbon fibre kick plate, and also carbon fibre plate with stickers that I've got as well. Everything is pretty much stock standard in the cockpit area.